nature hub. Well, can you read it? A nature hub! Let's start the story. We are going on a nature hub. We'll say hi the world. We are going on a nature hub. Now it's time to go. We are coming to a bridge. A-N-A-R-R-O-W. A narrow, shaky bridge. Oh, yeah. What's on the other side? That's fine now. Cross, cross, cross to the other side. Wow, it's a field of watery garden. Wow, and look at the self flower. But don't pick that. We are going on the next path. We'll sit high. We are going on the next path. Now it's time to go. We are coming to a pond, a clear and sparkling pond. What's in the pond? That's fun now. Paddle, 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 paddle to the lily pad. Rabbit, rabbit, what is that? Rabbit, it's slippery, slippery frog. Rabbit, and look at the frog. Jump, rabbit, rabbit, and swim, rabbit. But don't scare it. We are going on a nature hike. We'll sit high and low. We are going on a nature hike. Now it's time to go. We are going to a meadow, a wide and hilly meadow. What's in the ground? Let's find out. Dig, dig, and dig down into the ground. Ew, it's a wiggly, wiggly board. Ew. We are going on a nature hike. We'll sit high and low. We are going on a nature hike. Now it's time to go. We are coming to a tree, a tall and leafy tree. Climb, climb, and climb up to the upper branch. It's a scratchy nest. And look at its enormous nest. I don't touch it. Bzz, bzz. What a noise. Bzz. It's very close by. Bzz. It's making that sound. Bzz. It's behind. Let's go. Phew. It's time to go home. Let's go home together. Take down the tree, back through the meadow, back across the pond, back over the beach. Back down the tree, back through the meadow, back across the pond, back over the beach. Dancing together. Back down the tree, back through the meadow, back across the pond, back over the beach. And thus we are home. We went on the nature hike. The day was so fast. We went on the nature hike. And now we are home. Phew. Don't forget, dear friends, when you go on nature hike, you should not take anything from the nature. Unless it's a picture. Keep our nature and don't ruin it. The end. Thank you for joining me in this adventure. It's fun, right? That's all from me. Assalamualaikum.